Hi, I am Mustafa from Huawei Developers and welcome to Huawei Mobile Services tutorial series. Huawei Pushkit provides you with the ability to deliver messages. You can quickly and accurately send rich style messages to build contact with users and improve application activation. By integrating Pushkit, you can send messages to your apps on user's device in the real time. This helps you to maintain closer ties with users and increase user awareness of engagement with your apps. The following figure shows the process of sending messages from the cloud to device. Diverse styles. It attracts users with large text, action buttons, inboxes, and many other ways. Finer segments. Pushkit classifies users groups by attributes, tags, and subscriptions to match precise user interests. Automated notifications. This service intelligently pushes notifications by geofence data or user context. Analyzes reports. It provides static in App Gallery Connect for accurate push adjustments. Message receipts. This service provides receipts of sent message to ensure that the message successfully reach users. Deep linking. Pushkit directs the user to any specific location within your app with just one tap. There are 4 different message styles to meet your diverse and personalized needs. When these 4 styles are used, it looks like this. These are normal style, inbox style, button style, and custom style. Normal style. When using the default style, a notification includes only a single line of text. In large text style, the message title occupies one line and message content occupies multiple lines. Inbox style. Different from the normal style, the inbox style allows notification text to be displayed in sequence in separate lines. The sequence number of text lines are added manually and a maximum of 5 lines can be displayed. When text cannot be completely displayed in a line due to space restrictions, an ellipsis will be automatically added to the end of the line. Button style. You can add the action button to notification messages. A tap on the button will trigger a predefined actions. Custom style. You can customize notification style. It is reliable, accurate, rich style, and it has a cross-platform. Pushes messages in real time, has instant reach, serves more than 200 countries and regions, has global coverage and extensive support. It also supports Android with Huawei Mobile Services, iOS, web apps, and Huawei Quick Apps. Thank you for watching. For more detailed information, you can visit developer.huawei.com.